Hello everyone, I'm Timea Janssen from Germany. I'm the German ambassador for the FOXP1 Foundation, and my daughter Mattea is 9 years old and she is also a FOXP1 child. My role as an ambassador, I feel it's very important to connect with each other, not just with the German community, which is also very important, but also in an international way. And especially meeting the scientists and hearing all these genetic stuff, which is quite heavy, but still it's very important for us to have this information and to see that the whole world is connected and we are together and we stand with this. I think the most rewarding part of having a child with disability was to get a glimpse of this other world. And I think many people can't imagine how is this world of other people who have special needs. And so I'm very happy to have that and to see the world often with her eyes. You know, if there are situations where it's very loud, now I'm very sensitive for these things. Or if other things happen, I'm very sensitive for that. My heart is full of inspiring people who are living like lions and working for the kids, even grandmas and grandpas and everyone and neighbors and friends. And I think that overwhelms my heart to see that, and also to see they're just normal people and you can just laugh with each other, and to see this relaxation from the parents who brought their kids with them, to see that they feel comfortable because they know everyone here has a kid like that.